Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something bold, futuristic, and luxurious. Yes, you heard that right. BMW is making waves in the minivan world. Meet the highly anticipated 2026 BMW Minivan, a stunning blend of elegance, performance, and family-first practicality. At first glance, the front of the 2026 BMW Minivan is unmistakably BMW, but with a twist. The iconic kidney grilles are reimagined in a sleek, almost floating design, flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that bring a futuristic touch. Aerodynamic contours sweep seamlessly across the hood, giving this van a low, commanding stance. It's bold, it's premium, and it turns heads even before you notice it's a minivan. Moving to the back, BMW continues the elegant aggression. The taillights stretch vertically, connected by a minimalist chrome strip, and those LED elements, sharp and modern. The gloss black upper tailgate contrasts beautifully with the rest of the body, adding visual height and luxury. And check out that rear diffuser, yes, on a minivan, hinting that this isn't your typical family hauler. Step inside and you're transported into a first-class lounge. Plush leather seats, configurable ambient lighting, and a massive curved digital display that spans across the dashboard. The cabin features BMW's latest iDrive system with gesture controls, AI-assisted functions, and even rear seat entertainment screens. The second-row captain's chairs, fully reclining with built-in massage. This isn't just a minivan, it's a luxury suite on wheels. Under the hood, BMW is rumored to offer both plug-in, hybrid, and fully electric variants. Expect a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup in the EV version, delivering around 400 horsepower and up to 300 miles of range. The plug-in hybrid could feature a turbocharged inline-six paired with an electric motor for seamless city and highway performance. And of course, adaptive air suspension ensures a buttery smooth ride regardless of the terrain. While BMW hasn't released official pricing, insiders suggest the starting price will be around $75,000, with higher trims reaching into the $90,000 range, especially if you opt for the all-electric flagship model.